I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to do a product review on the ForceField Pro L2K Evo back protector. As of the filming of this video, the Pro L2K Evo sells for $179. Remember, prices can change. It's available in multiple sizes. We've got a great size chart on the website. I recommend that you use that. This is CE Level 2 certified. It is built to exceed CE Level 2. Manage a ton of energy. ForceField is a great company. They're very focused on armor. Armor is what they do, and they do a fine job of it. This is a perfect example. You get this product in your hands, the workmanship, quality, the stitching, materials used, everything just screams quality and value. Of course, the protection that you expect and count on is built in. The Pro L2K Evo tips the scale at 2.2 pounds in a size large, which is the size that I do wear. 5 feet 11 inches tall, a little over 200 pounds, 33, 34 inch waist. Large fits me as expected. Thickness of the back protector is something that definitely needs to be mentioned. This is one of the more protective pieces out there. With protection typically comes thickness, okay? Because you need layers to manage the energy, and that's what we have here. So Steve will show you in this video how thick the protector is when I'm wearing it so you can get an idea. This isn't the thinnest one on the market, and it's certainly not the thickest. I would say that it's right where it should be based upon its energy management levels. Multi-layer design. You can see here the perforations on the inside. The exterior shell is a honeycomb design, and each of the layers in between also are perforated, and they line up with the holes that you see here in the protector. The reasons they use the layers, it's really multiple reasons. By using multiple layers, it allows the protector to move with you because they're not sewn together on the edges. They're stitched and held together somewhere in the middle. They're able to basically float a bit. This material also softens a bit as it warms and conforms to your body shape real nicely. Having the multiple layers and the holes drilled or perforated in each one, also when you're riding and you're moving around, the layers flex and they almost work as an air pump to help keep air circulating inside the protectors. That's a fringe benefit that comes with this one. Strapping and adjustment. It comes with fixed shoulder straps. They are adjustable in length, so you can dial in the fit. It also comes with a 2-stage waist belt. Each of them has elastic built in. You can see right here. The main waist belt has a little less elastic. When you put this one on, the first part of the belt, you want to get it so that it's not quite tight. You want to leave it a little bit loose, and then you're going to pull tension with the second layer, which uses a lot more elastic material. The reason behind that is simple. When you're riding the motorcycle, you're moving around. It's a physical activity, so your waist is expanding and contracting. Your abs are flexing, right, and relaxing. So your waist is changing sizes all the time. You need to put the back protector on in a way where it's able to move with you so it's not fighting you, and also so you don't put undue stress on the straps and just tear the thing apart. What's another nice benefit with a 2-stage waist belt, like we see on most quality back protectors at this point, is when you get to that end of the day, right? The last couple of sessions, the last couple of races, and maybe you're feeling a little fatigued, a little tired, you can snug up that outer layer just a little bit extra, and it just kind of rejuvenates you in the core, gives that last little bit of pop that you might need to make you feel more energized, more comfortable. All in all, what do I think of this protector? Great protection, great company, it's solid value. ForceField's been around a long time, very focused on armor. There's other armor companies out there that used to be really focused on armor, and now they're focused on making skinny jeans and studio jackets. ForceField has not done that. They've stayed true to their core, and their products show that through and through. In my opinion, this is a great quality piece, perfect for racing, track days, or if you're a very serious street rider that wants that next level of protection, this is a great choice.